Which of the following procedures is the least effective in gathering information about the nature of claims processing and potential problems? Okay, answer choice A. Interview supervisors in the claims department to find out more about the procedures used and the rationale for the procedures, and obtain their observations about the nature and efficiency for processing. Okay, this sounds like it would be something that could be effective. Interviewing supervisors and employees is a good method of learning more about the nature of processing and soliciting input as to the potential causes of the problems being investigated. These individuals are intimately involved with the processing of the transactions, so this should be effective. Answer choice B. Send an email message to all clerical personnel detailing the alleged problems and request them to respond. All clerical personnel detailing the alleged problems. That's pretty extreme. Let's come back to this one, as this one might not be effective. Answer choice C. Interview selected clerical employees in the claims department to find out more about the procedures used and the rationale for the procedures and obtain their observations about the nature and efficiency of processing. Okay, this one sounds like it could be effective. Interviewing supervisors and employees is a good method of learning more about the nature of processing and soliciting input as to the potential causes of the problems being investigated. Again, these individuals are intimately involved with the processing of transactions, so this makes sense. So that could be effective. Answer choice D. Distribute a questionnaire to gain a greater understanding of the responsibilities for claims processing and the control procedures utilized. This too looks to be effective. Using a questionnaire is a procedure that is not as effective as interviewing individuals, but it is an efficient method of gathering preliminary information that would be useful in structuring the interviews. Alright, so we have one answer choice that appears to be the least effective. It's answer choice B. That answer choice said send an email message to all clerical personnel detailing the alleged problems and request them to respond. Look, sending an email message is the least effective communication and information gathering technique. It's impersonal, and it alleges inefficiencies before evidence has indicated that the problems are caused by inefficiencies in processing. This impersonal method might have been useful if the auditor wished to solicit open responses, but not enough guidance is given to encourage that kind of response. Amongst all the answer choices, it's clearly the least effective of the choices. Answer choice B is the correct answer.